Hi, welcome to my channel Measure, Mix and Make MMM. Today I will show you how to make natural hair dye powder using these ingredients: Bhringraj powder, indigo powder, gooseberry powder known as Amla powder, Henna powder, and kaolin powder. Stay tuned. Now, all you need for your natural hair dye are as follows. 1. You measure your henna 6 grams henna powder. I will add it into the bowl. I will measure 10 grams of indigo powder. Seven, 8, 9. Okay, this is exactly 10 grams of indigo powder. We will measure 2 grams of amla powder known as gooseberry powder. You add up. Next, we measure Bhringraj powder. We take 1 gram of this. All these materials are natural. We add 0.5 grams of Brahmi powder. Okay, this is 1 gram. I take half of it. Next, we add 0.5 grams of kaolin. We divide it into 2. Next, we blend all the powders together. We blend all the powders together. We gradually blend all the powders together. Then we add our lavender essential oil, 5 drops. Then you keep blending the powders together with this lavender oil. At this point, you can use your sieve to sieve the powders. That will also help to mix. As you can see, you can save again. You can make it the third time. I think this is okay. This is our natural hair dye powder. Our natural hair dye powder. If you want to use this, you take the quantity you want, mix it with warm water, a little quantity of warm water to make paste of it, then apply it down there to the root of your hair. It will help to reduce the graying of your hair. It will also assist in hair regeneration. It will make your hair to shine, give your scalp beautiful treatment, hair regeneration, and in fact, all you need, darken your hair, natural hair dye. It is quite exceptional because it is natural, no chemical content, no things like ammonia or whatever, but this is purely natural for your hair. If you have not subscribed to our channel, don't forget to touch the subscription button to enable you get our next video. Thank you. I bye for now.